Oh, no, no. Oh, Elsa. There, okay. Oh, look, she's getting up on her hands and knees again. Let's show her how to crawl when she's on her hands and knees. Let's show her how to crawl. I don't think she really likes that. Oh, she doesn't. Okay, maybe she doesn't mind it. Okay, look, she's up on her hands and knees. Show her how to do it. Show her how to crawl, honey. She's trying. Yeah. Yeah. Good job, Elsa. Here she comes. No, she can't see. Okay, show her how to crawl, sweetie. Leela. All right. Leela, show her how to crawl. Yay, Elsa, look at her. Look at her go. She's on all fours. Oh. Okay, you can put it on her head, but I just want you to be really gentle about it. Yeah. There we go.
I want the flaps to be on the flaps.
You know, she I think would rather just focus on moving around instead of having that hat on her head.
No. I want her to be a pirate. I'm just kidding about it.
Careful.
I'm being really funny.
That's
I want her to be a pirate.
What a crazy girl you have for a sister, Elsa.
I want her to be a pirate.
No, I guess she is a pirate. Okay. Oh, look.
Yes, she is a pirate. She can be a pirate if she wants to be a pirate. Does she want to be a pirate?
I don't know. She probably doesn't mind being a pirate. Pirates have a lot of fun.
I'm kind of silly now.
Yeah, I think we should go run around outside. What do you think? Be very careful. Okay, I think that she wants to be less of a pirate. She wants to eat my socks.
A tunnel. I think the way is a tunnel.
Okay, silly geese. Silly geese.
She can be a pirate.